There's a really great trick to sounding more English when you speak English. Because you see, you're Indian and I'm English, and we're very, very different in every kind of way. So apart from learning all the tips and tricks and techniques that I teach people to help them to sound more English, you've got to consider actually, when you speak English, becoming more English. And as well as all these tips and tricks and techniques to help you sound English, on my new course, The English Way, you will find a whole lot of stuff about how to become and think more English when you speak English. It's a 12-part course for 12 weeks with 12 videos and 12 audios and 12 ebooks. And I want you to try it, because I know that when you see the first lesson and listen to the first lesson and try it, you're going to want this course to change your life. So go to the relevant link and try the first lesson of The English Way absolutely free, so that you can eventually, in no time at all in fact, speak English the way the English speak it.